It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a boxing of the November Curlbox. And Curlbox is a monthly hair subscription box where you get 4 to 5 size products each month from different brands. And I love it because it's just a way, like a cheaper way to like try new products without spending a lot of money. Because with Curlbox you pay $25. So every month there's a theme. For this month, it's Kai Shine. And look at the model. She's stunning. Yes, girl, giving us that shoulder look. But if you open it, it tells you what's in it. And the brand for this month is Design Essentials. Like, it'll give you a list of the products that's in there. I have never tried any Design Essentials products, so I am super excited. So the first thing I'm gonna check out is the Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Sulfate Free Shampoo. And I like the bottle, so that's what it looks like. And the next thing is the Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Conditioner. So that is pretty cool. I love it. Oh, so I don't know if so right on here, I don't know if you guys can see that, but right on there, it like shows the expiration date, which is, I don't see expiration dates on most products, so that's different to see that on there. And the next one is the leave-in conditioner, and all the products have almond and avocado, which is awesome. I love to chew on almond, and I love avocado. Oh my gosh, I love avocado and almond. Like, I will legit just sit at home and just like chew on almonds, or like just have avocados with my salt, because you can't eat avocado without salt. Like, I don't put on no toast or whatsoever. I just eat it like that. And the next thing is the honey Curlforming custard with honey and Chamomile. I'm not gonna pronounce that, but that's what it looks like. Pretty cool. Oh, that is sweet. Oh, okay, no. I love the smell of that. Oh, and yeah, so, yeah, don't lean it too back. Don't lean it, because I just spilled it. And I'm just gonna put on my edges, because we ain't gonna waste no products. Ugh, now my hand is all sticky. And then the last thing in the box is the Honey and Shea Ash Tamer, which is pretty awesome. Let me see. Oh, it has the same smell as the honey Curlforming custard. Oh, and the custard, that'll be like my first time ever trying a custard in my hair, so that's pretty good. I'm excited for that. I'm about to smell everything else, because yeah, I don't know. I don't know. They all smell like candy. They have like a very sweet scent to it. But that's everything for this box. I cannot wait to try it. which will be exciting. So stay tuned for the video on these products, and also please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
It's a bad man.